In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use an order block indicator on your chart. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along directly on your charting platform. If you've been looking for a clearer way to identify potential supply and demand areas, an order block indicator can be a helpful tool. These zones are often used by traders to highlight areas where price may react, reverse, or continue after returning to an important region. To get started, go to the top toolbar of your chart and click on Indicators. This is where you can browse and add tools to your chart layout. Once the Indicators window opens, use the search bar and type in Order Block. You may see options such as Smart Money Concepts by LuxAlgo, or something similar like Order Block Finder. The exact names can vary depending on your platform, but the main goal is to find an indicator that highlights bullish and bearish order block zones clearly on the chart. When you find the indicator you want to use, click on it to apply it to your chart. After that, close the search window and give the chart a moment to update. You should now begin to see highlighted zones appear directly on the price chart. These marked areas are designed to help you visually identify where institutional buying or selling interest may have formed in the past. Next, move your cursor over the highlighted bullish and bearish order block zones. Hovering over these areas can help you inspect the levels more closely and understand where potential demand or supply zones are located. In general, bullish order blocks may point to possible demand regions, while bearish order blocks may suggest possible supply regions. This can be useful when you're planning entries, exits, or simply analyzing market structure. If the chart feels too cluttered or the zones don't look quite right for your trading style, open the indicator settings. Inside the settings panel, you can adjust more sensitive parameters such as swing length or mitigation filters. These controls affect how the indicator detects and displays zones, so small changes can make a big difference. A shorter swing length may produce more zones, while a longer one may filter out some of the noise. Mitigation settings can also help refine which order blocks remain visible after price has interacted with them. Take a little time to test these settings and see what gives you the cleanest, most useful chart view. Once you're comfortable with the layout, you'll have a much easier time spotting key supply and demand levels with confidence.